I see we have Linnell here and we have Dr. Kerry Daw. Hi, good afternoon. My name is Darshan Naran. I'm from Trinidad and Tobago, and I've been working on this Avianfauna Workshop with Linnell and some kids and me. Just as an introduction, we had an idea that we would teach anyone about birds, and we didn't know how we were going to do it virtually over, regional connections. So initially, our project was meant to be a short workshop on the island that I would get there, spend a week, do a training, and then the team would go out and do the survey. But it turned out to just be we're just virtually doing everything at the moment.
My name is Jennifer Lowry of the Nevis Historical and Conservation Society. I'm the coordinator for this project, the rehabilitation of Nelson Spring. It's been funded by IRECO. The main problem had been that the pond was being overgrown by invasive reeds, the cattail reed. And the local community were concerned. Now the birds, we saw them when we started. They were there but cramped up underneath. But we're seeing more and more. We've had a tour by the bird watchers from St. Kitts to identify more birds and familiarise us with them. And that's a great success so far. We're seeing way more than we ever thought were here. It's amazing how many birds are here. Quite optimistic at the moment with the amount of regrowth, and certainly with the bird population.